Good morning, everyone. This is Gail with TradersHelpDesk. I just wanted to show a lot of the Forex pairs are trading within a range. You can see the British pound dollar, the bottom of the range is about 41.60, the top of the range is about 41.95. And this is really going to make it hard to trade until it actually breaks out of this range. There's really not enough movement here to make a profit, because by the time you get in, there's not enough movement to give you profit before it hits the top of the range. If we go over to the Aussie dollar, just is really a horrible looking chart to try to trade. You can see there's just not very much movement in here whatsoever. Same thing on the euro dollar. There's actually a pennant developing on the euro dollar, and until it comes out of this formation, I'm not going to trade that. If we go and look at the USD JPY, and usually this is one of my favorite currencies to trade, again, not a very conducive chart. You know, from 82 up to 97, very hard to make money on something that's trading like this. Let's go over and look at the USD CAD. We have had a downtrend on the USD CAD, and that may be changing. You can see this was overnight on the USD CAD, but again, from what I'm looking at, not something that's really conducive to trading at the moment. Of course, it can always change, but you know, I want to be able to see some movement, because it's the movement that allows us to take a profit. Now, this is the meter, and you can see the US CAD is about the only one that actually has a potential setup, in that it's below the 20 line on the RSI, and it's already turned upwards, indicating an upward position. Now, the issue is the USD CAD doesn't have binary options available until 8 o'clock this morning, and then there is a 10 pip strike width on that one. Again, this is the British pound yen. Again, you see how these ATRs are split, and this is usually when you lose money, when you get into these split ATRs, because there's not enough movement for you to actually take a profit in the binaries, because it's just not moving sufficiently. We normally see this during the summer. I guess summer came early this year. Let's go and look at the USD Swiss franc. And again, the USD Swiss franc does not have binaries available until 8 a.m. But you can see at least the ATRs are aligning. The one issue, and I've seen this, you know, a bigger portion of this week, these ATRs are very, very close together. And when you see these really tighten up and go close together, that's usually when the market's not moving sufficiently. I would prefer the USD Swiss franc only because the strike width is 5 pips versus 10 pips on the others. But again, you know, they're not open until 8 o'clock. So you could perhaps take a daily off of it, but that would be the only thing that you would actually be able to do.